Hi, I'm Dr. Roseann, and I'm an integrative and pediatric mental health expert who's on a mission to change the way we view and treat children's mental health. This year, I am speaking at the Get Well show with Lynne McTaggert, and we're super excited to be there with you all. And there are 3 ways to interact with myself and the team at the event. Number 1, you can hear my keynote on how to reverse your child's mental health issues and heal from some of the most common issues children are facing today. And when you attend my talk, you're going to hear about a special offer just for the Get Well show. Number 2, you can attend one of our talks at the booth, and we have talks for parents every hour on the hour, and we're going to do a deep dive into the top issues facing children and teens today. So we're going to talk about anxiety, mood, attention, learning and grades, and listening. And we're also going to have free downloads that at the booth that are tips and things you can take action on right away. So make sure you download those PDFs and you can have these wonderful resources. And 3, our staff is going to be available for Q&A to answer any questions you have. And I brought the most amazing team of people with me, as well as some of the parents who've completed our Get Unstuck program, so that you can have your questions answered, as well as at our booth, you're going to be able to hear these amazing talks. So I look forward to meeting you.